What is a GDPR compliance statement? A GDPR compliance statement is a public document outlining the measures your organization is taking or has already performed to comply with the law. GDPR declaration. It is generally a one-page document publicly shared on an organization's website to inform GDPR's data subjects about the company's commitment to data privacy and security regarding GDPR compliance. Generally, it includes 1. All the technical and organizational measures are deployed to meet the GDPR's rigorous data security requirements. 2. The data controller places the processing obligations on any data processors with whom the controller discloses customers' personal information. 3. The procedures are in place to assist individuals in exercising their data subject rights. 4. The automated or manual systems are responsible for addressing data subject access requests. GDPR statement. A GDPR statement, also known as a compliance statement, is a brief statement that informs individuals about the data that a company processes and the security measures it has implemented. What are the benefits of having a GDPR compliance statement? 1. It adds transparency and gains consumers' trust for secure data processing and handling. 2. It can demonstrate the data controllers and the data processors' compliance. 3. It can serve as proof of document for GDPR compliance to the relevant EU or UK supervisory authority. Checklist to write a GDPR compliance statement. GDPR statement examples. 1. A brief explanation of the GDPR. 2. How your company is preparing for GDPR. 3. The scope of data processing practices. 4. How do you process personal data? 5. International transfers. 6. Link to the privacy policy and data processing agreement. 7. Contact information. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.